Hi, I'm David.
Hi, I'm Jelena.
Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on a specific pranayama called Vritti Pranayama.
I like this one.
Yeah. So it's a specific technique that you use for focusing, for calming the mind. Sometimes it's known as box breathing, and pretty simple, but very effective.
Before we go on, we're going to ask you to subscribe, follow, maybe comment, and let us know what you want to see next.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, and like.
Yeah, I think subscribe and follow is like the same thing
Oh, okay.
on YouTube.
Yeah. All right.
All right. Okay. So we're going to do this pranayama to the beat of a drum, and that'll just make sure the breath's nice and even. What we're going to do is inhale for 8 seconds, hold for 8 seconds, exhale for 8 seconds, and then hold for 8 seconds. So you can see the kind of the box shape of it. And the technique is just to keep the breath nice and relaxed, nice and even. When you hold the breath, you don't have to do anything elaborate, just don't breathe. If you want, you can bring your chin slightly down towards your chest. And watch what's going on in your body. If you start to feel like you're not getting enough air, you're anxious, then abandon the technique. Catch your breath, pause the video, whatever, until you feel good, and then you could start up again if you want.
And I know you always say when we teach in person that it's not about fully filling up your lungs or fully getting rid of the air as well, but that it's somewhere in between. It doesn't need to be max.
It's not about getting the sort of most air into your body or the least air. It's about controlling your breath. And so just take a moderate breath in, a moderate breath out. You'll be much more relaxed than if you're trying to take huge breath in and empty out completely. Okay, so think about that all the time. Just it's an even paced breath, not a deep breath. Okay, and we're going to start by just breathing 8-second breaths to the drum. So sitting up tall, inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Exhale, just let your shoulders drop. Inhale, you can feel your diaphragm dropping, chest filling, and exhale, feel the diaphragm lift. Inhale, exhale. Okay, we'll start the Vritti. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and now hold the breath. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, hold. Try to relax as you hold. Inhale. Hold. Exhale with control. Hold. Inhale. Hold. Sitting up nice and tall, drop your shoulders. Exhale. Hold. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. We'll go back to regular breathing now. 8 seconds. Inhale. Exhale. Two more breaths like that. Inhale. Exhale. One more. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Okay, and then you can release. So you probably feel, hopefully, a little more relaxed and a little more focused.
I think so.
Works for you, Jelena. Hopefully it worked for you too.
I really like it because on those holds, you really have to remind yourself to relax. And that kind of then reinforces the idea of staying in that space.
Yeah. Yeah, you're focusing on relaxing.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we did 5 rounds, or you did 5 rounds. And you can do 5 rounds, take a break, breathe, and do 5 rounds again. We have this drum track that we're using for sale on the website. And you can get it there and practice this, or just keep watching this video again and again. And we also have a pranayama meditation course on our site as well. And it has, I think, this pranayama on it.
Does it? Maybe.
Maybe.
Mm.
You tell us. Buy it and then tell us. Okay. Thanks so much for joining. Make sure to subscribe if you're not already. And comment. Let us know what you want to see. And give us a like. Bye.